solidarity speech to His Excellency Sir Simlala Fubara, GSSROS, on a one-day solidarity street show rally. The Executive Governor, Rivers State, Government House, Port Harcourt, delivered by the Rivers State Youth Leaders Assembly at Government House Gate. Your Excellencies, Governor Simlala Fubara, honorable members of the Federal State Executive Council, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon all. I stand here today on behalf of the Rivers State Youth Leaders Assembly, the apex indigenous youth leadership body of the state that is registered by the Rivers State government through the Ministry of Youth Development in 2015, and as an assembly to organize, produce, and promote good leadership in the 23 local government areas of the state. The assembly is also registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission in 2023 to give it full legal backing in the state and beyond. The assembly, under the leadership of its speaker, the Right Honorable Ambassador Dr. Prince Toye Jemini Mema, has been supporting the ruling party in the state since 2015, 2019, and 2023, respectively. Your Excellency, sir, no doubt we are fully simplified. I am filled with joy and great gratitude to God Almighty for the outstanding leadership of our esteemed, peaceful, and highly loved governor, His Excellency Simlala Fubara. It is indeed an honor to address you, sir, and to acknowledge the tremendous strides you have made in sharing our beloved state towards unparalleled growth and development. Under your visionary leadership, Rivers State has witnessed remarkable progress in infrastructure, healthcare, education, and economic development. Your unwavering commitment to improving the lives of our citizens is evidence in every corner of our state, from the newly constructed roads that connect our communities to the modern healthcare facilities that ensure the well-being of our people. Your Excellency, sir, the following key achievements are worth of note under your visionary and people-oriented administration: infrastructure development, economic initiatives, education, healthcare, public transport and safety. We cannot forget to mention the promotion of civil servants, payment of salary arrears, prompt payment of salaries, lifting the ban for employment and commissioning of Youth Resource Center. We also commend you for your commitment to choosing peace over conflict.
The most important thing you have done, you have already subjected yourselves to the rigors of education. Not just the education, you also have moral, you have very good homes that has produced you to be this wonderful person that you are. When I listened to the speech, even one answer I wanted to give, before I could even finish thinking about it, maybe someone I was looking through my phone to get a particular thing, I was thinking about that resource center that we are commissioning today. You mentioned it in the speech, which means you are up to date. So when you cry, just know that people already know why you are crying. People are feeling the pain. And that's why the governor has gone a step ahead, knowing that he himself is within the limits also of what can define as youth. So he understands how you feel. He knows your pains. He wore these shoes that you are wearing. And knows where it pinches. He knows everything. And what we would have expected of you to do, you have already done to maintain the peace, to queue behind him, and to help him do the needful. You have already done that. So all I can say is that the die is already cast. You have already done what you need to do. You have queued behind the governor, not out of compulsion. No one came and... No. On your own, you sat down as very educated people and saw and said, no, we need to support this. We have hope because the youths that we have here are people that have something to offer. You have something to offer. Leave the era of rhetorics and come to tangible ideas. What do you think we can do? How can we create jobs for our people? Just try, Oga will listen. Governor does not follow too much protocol when it comes to anything that will make Rivers to benefit. His mantra is Rivers first. So his doors are open. As you have submitted this paper to me, just be rest assured that I will also carry this paper and give to the governor with proper briefing on what I have said. If you would want to hear a kind of read of what I was saying, I was telling that we have an enviable population of youths who know what their colleagues call it in Canada, call it in London. The same education. You know, it's university. That knowledge is universal. So whatever thing that you think you can offer, please, His Excellency's doors are very open. Bring your ideas. Is that the governor sends his greetings through you to all your families. God bless you.